Hi guys, today I am going to show you how I made black soup for the first time. So let's get started. To make this, I prepped my veggies, scent leaf, and scent leaf, uziza, and bitter leaf. So I have onions, crayfish that I'll use for this. I also have meat. Say I am preparing my meat. I'll cook it the way and I want to cook it with onions and my stock cube with pepper. So what I will do is to just grill it my normal way. You can do yours the normal way. This is my first time. I after putting in the pot to cook, I now blended all my veggies and set it aside. Now here I poured the oil the meat stock that came out from the goat's meat that I'm using. Add my washed fish. This is dry fish. I added oil. Normally they use bangas. I don't have banga here, so I am using oil. So if you're like me that is looking for banga, use oil. Yeah. So I now turned it, allow it to boil a little bit, add the crayfish that I blended. I added the stock cube powder, and then I'll close it to boil for some time. Now I adding this prekese. I don't know what they call it in other language. I know they call it different names. So I added it, which is optional. I added it. I saw people adding it because I have tested it and it's good. Like before I know what happened, my video went blank. So I have added the meat that I grilled and the blended I have left it to boil till it got black. My camera kept disturbing and giving me problems. But if you know I tried, can you just clap for me? Clap for me by just liking this video. Please like this video. Share to those who want to cook black soup because it was really delicious. I thought it's going to be bitter. It was not that bitter. And look at how it looks like. It became very black and it's so good. Thank you for watching.